Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 heavenly idioms for happiness in English. Number 1, on cloud 9. It means very happy. Example, she was on cloud 9 after winning the competition. Number 2, in seventh heaven. It means feeling extremely joyful. Example, he's in seventh heaven ever since he started his new job. Number 3, heaven on earth. It means a place or moment that feels perfect. Example, that lakeside cabin felt like heaven on earth. Number 4, in heaven. It means feeling blissful or perfectly content. Example, I'm in heaven whenever I hear my favorite song. Number 5, heaven sent. It means help or a gift that arrives just when it's needed. Example, her advice was heaven sent. I didn't know what to do before that. Number 6, angel in disguise. It means a kind helper who seems ordinary but turns out to be very beneficial. Example, that stranger who helped us with directions was an angel in disguise. Number 7, over the moon. It means extremely happy or delighted. Example, she was over the moon when she got the admission letter. Number 8, like a dream. It means something that feels wonderfully smooth or perfect. Example, the interview went like a dream. Everything just clicked. Number 9, like paradise. It means something that feels perfectly wonderful or heavenly. Example, that quiet sunny cafe feels like paradise on a busy day. Number 10, close to heaven. It means very close to being perfect or extremely happy. Example, that peaceful forest cabin felt close to heaven. That's all for today's heavenly idioms. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe so I can bring you more fun idioms next time. See you in the next video!